Dear student, today I will solve new exercise 3.3. First, find the transpose of each of the following matrices. This question is important for you. So, now find transpose matrix. So, transpose matrix change row to column, column to row. So now this is column change into row. So this is now this is matrix A. So transpose of matrix A is equal to, so now change to 5 1 by 2 minus 1. So row 2, this is a column change into row. So this is transpose matrix. And also same way this is A dash is equal to, now let this is A. So now change into row to column. So 1, now 1 and replace here. So 2 and now change in place minus 1 and this is 3. So now change, this is row, this is column. So column change row, row change in column. So this is here. So A dash. Now also this is A. So A dash is equal to, now change row to column. This is column and this is row. Change to row and row to column. So minus 1. So now 3 and 2. I replace here. So 5 and also 6 and same way. So 5, this is 5 and also replace here. So this is 3 and replace here. So this is 6 and minus 1. So now change row to column, column to row. So now this is row and column. So column change row, row change column. This here and also this is row and this is column. So now this is row change column and this is a column change row. This is here. So this is transpose matrix of given matrix. Question number 2. If given matrix A is equal to element minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1 and B minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1 element of matrix B. Then verify that first part, transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Now solution of this question. Solution of this question. So A plus B is equal to A for given matrix elements minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1 and plus B for matrix minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. So now add this matrix. So 3 by 3 and also 3 by 3. So addition is possible. So minus 1 plus minus 4 and 2 plus 1 and 3 plus minus 5. Also 5 plus 1 and 7 plus 2, 9 plus 0 and minus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 1. So now this minus 1 minus 4. So this is 5 and also 3 and minus 2 and this is 6 and 9 and also 9 minus 1 minus 1 and 4 and 2. So this is a plus b, a plus b. So a plus b transpose of a plus b is equal to, now change row to column. So minus 5, so this is this row and this is column. So element of row to column, column to row. So minus 5, 6 and minus 1. So replace 3, 6 and replace 2, minus 1. Also change here. So this is 3 and this is minus 2. And also 9 and this is 4 and 9 and 2. So now a plus b dash, a plus b dash. So a given matrix, elements minus 1, 2, 3 and 5, 7, 9 and minus 2, 1, 1. So now a dash is equal to, so minus 1 change to row to column. So 5 minus 2 and so 2, this is 3 and so 7, this is replace 1 and replace 9 and 1. Also B matrix given element minus 4, 1, minus 5. So 1, 2, 0 and 1, 3, 1. So this is B dash. Also change row to column. So this is row, this is column. Minus 4, 1, 1 and 1 minus 5 and also 2, 0, 2, 0. So this is 2 and so replace 3 and 0, 1. So this is B dash. So B and this is replace here. So 1 and 1. Now replace here 1 minus 5 and also 2 and replace here 3 and replace here 0 and this is 1. So A dash plus B dash is equal to, so now minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1 and also plus B dash for matrix minus 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 5, 0, 1. So now minus 1, minus 4, this is plus minus, so minus 1, minus 5, 4, minus 5 and 5 plus 1, this is 6 and minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 and 2 plus 1, this is 3, 7 plus 2, this is 9, 1 plus 3, this is 4 and 3 minus 5, this is minus 2 and 9 plus 0, this is 9 and 1 plus 1, this is 2. So this is A dash plus B dash. So now this so a complement of A, so minus 5, 6, minus 1 and 3, 9, 4 and minus 2, 9, 2. So a transpose of A plus transpose of B. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. So taken, so this is LHS, so LHS, and this is RHS. So proved. And second part, transpose of A minus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. So now taking LHS, so A minus B, A minus B for A minus B given matrix minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1, and B for given minus 4 1 minus 5 and 1 2 0 1 3 1. So now A minus B order of same, so matrix should be subtracted. So now minus 1, so minus 4, and also 2 minus 1, and 3 minus 5. So 5 minus 1, 7 minus 2, and 9 minus 0. So minus 2 and also minus 1. So 1 minus 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, and 1 minus 1. So this is A minus B. So A minus B, so minus plus 4 minus 1. So this is 3 and 1. So 5 plus, and this is 2 and 4. So 5 and 9. Also this 2 minus 3 and 1 minus 3. So this is minus 2 and 0. So complement of transpose of A minus B. Transpose of A minus B, transpose of A minus B is equal to A minus B transpose is equal to, so 3, now change row to column, so 4 minus 3 and 1 2, 1 2 and 5. So replace 2 here, so minus 2 and 9, replace here 9 and 0. So this is transpose of A minus B. So also taking RHS, so A is equal to given matrix minus 1 2 3 and 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1. So now A dash is equal to A dash for, so minus 1, so replace here 5 minus 2 and 2 3 and 7 1 and 9 1, and also B given matrix minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. So this is B dash. Now change to row to column, minus 4 and 1 1 1 1 and 1 minus 5 and 2 3 0 1. So now A transpose of A minus transpose of B is equal to, this is A minus 1 5 minus 2 and 2 7 1 3 9 1, and also minus B for minus 4 1 1 and 1 2 3 minus 5 0 1. So now this order of same, so given matrix subtracted minus 1 minus plus, so this is 3, and 5 minus 1, this is 4, this is 4, and minus 2 minus 1, this is minus 3, and 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 minus 1, this is 1, and 7 minus 2, this is 5, 1 minus 3, this is minus 2, and 3 minus minus plus 5, this is 2, and 9 minus 0, this is 9, and 1 minus 1, this is 0. So this is transpose of A minus transpose of B. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. That's all. Thank you.